Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new class in Google Classroom. In order to create a new class in Google Classroom, first of all, open up Google Classroom app or sign into Google Classroom's website and then log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and find the plus button at the bottom right and tap on it. Now in the pop-up, click on Create Class. Click on this I have read and understood the notice above box over here and click Continue. On the next page, write down a name for your class. Now, go to the Section tab and enter the section, room and subject for your class. After you are done, click on Create at the top right corner and there you have your new class ready on the screen. You can then go ahead and host a new announcement for your class by tapping New Announcement and entering necessary announcements, adding attachments and so on, and creating an announcement for your class. In order to invite your students to the new class, tap on People at the bottom right and then tap on the plus button right next to Students and then enter an email address of your student in the text box and select your student. You can add multiple students to your list. Go ahead and write down their name and add them in the class. If you want to send a class invitation link, you can tap the copy link button and share the link wherever needed using any messaging applications, emails, or SMS. After you are ready to invite your students, click Invite at the top right corner and once your student starts to join in, they'll be seen inside the Students tab over here. All the participants will be listed on this page. That's how you easily create a new class in Google Classroom. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.